Welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I am just going to be doing a wash day. I'm going to be using Mielle Rosemary Mint products. These products right here. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright, so I am freshly pre-pooed. I did use the Curlsmith curl bonding pre-poo, and it made my hair feel really strong, so I do use that often. Each time I straighten my hair, I would say, so that my curls can bounce back. So we got really good curl bounce back. And my first product I will be using is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. This is my first time using this shampoo, and this is my first time using this whole collection. So I was really excited to find out if it did live up to all the hype. So the claims on the bottle says it instantly nourish and cleanse dry, weak, brittle hair with this scalp tingling, strengthening shampoo. It gently cleanses while providing key nutrients and intense moisture to help the hair with unrivaled slip. So I didn't have much slip. I definitely would have been scared to detangle with this shampoo, so I would not suggest that. But it does just depend on how moisturized your hair is. Because I did go in with something else strengthening, I wouldn't say to go in with this one. But I am using my scalp massaging brush. That thing, I love it. It's only like a couple of dollars on Amazon. And it definitely, I do feel like, helps me to get rid of all the unnecessary buildup on my scalp. And so, but the Mielle shampoo, I would give it a 8 out of 10, just because I do wish it was just a tad bit more moisturizing. But it definitely, other than that, did feel amazing on my scalp. And I did like how it felt. So, and my hair definitely liked it too, even though my hair was on the drier side. So, and I am going to go in with a second shampoo because I am going to be straightening my hair. So I just need to make sure I really do get all of that buildup off my scalp. So, and I usually actually go in with 3 shampoos, but I was not feeling it. This day, I was like, I done worked all day. Like, I literally just want to get this wash day over with. But I think we can all agree that wash day, you know, we're excited to wash our hair. It's a great feeling. But also, we get tired. And it is a long process. It's not easy breezy as it looks. But, yeah, as you see, I'm just going with that second lather. And also, I don't know how these natural hair YouTubers do it, like washing their hair like it's so easy. It is not easy at all. Like, water gets everywhere, it's a mess, and then just trying to get the right angles, making sure that you're not getting soap in your eye all the time and things like that. So I definitely do give credit to all these natural hair YouTubers. But yes, so the next product is the Mielle Strengthening Hair Mask. And I've heard a lot of great things about this hair mask. I heard like, use this hair mask, and I've heard honestly great things about the whole line, that it helps your hair to grow. Your hair is going to grow so long with this collection. So that's what really intrigued me to try it myself, because this is my first time trying this collection. And so I should have paid attention to the fact that all of it says strengthening, because I honestly needed a little more moisture than strength, but I did definitely need a little bit of strength too. So as you can see, I was having a lot of trouble detangling my hair. So this hair mask, although it provides a little bit of moisture, it did not provide the moisture I needed to detangle my hair. This mask does not have a lot of slip, so I would say if your hair is really tangled, this deconditioner isn't necessarily going to detangle your hair. I was gonna go in with the comb, but I wanted to finger detangle first and then go in and use a brush later, but I just went on ahead and finger detangled because I didn't want to rip out any hair. So I would definitely give this product, I would say, a 7 out of 10, because I would say that I don't know about the claims about it helping your hair to grow, anything like that. I would have to use it consistently to find that out myself, but I can definitely say that it does give a good protein moisture balance. But I would say that a good deconditioner has slip, because a deconditioner, after you shampoo, you need that moisture in where, well, you need that slip so that you can be able to detangle your hair after you have put in that deconditioner. So I would just say that it is decent, it just could be better. Then after that, I'm going to put on a shower cap, and then I'm going to decondition under a heating cap for an hour. So I am back, and so this is, I hate when a nail gets stuck, it's the worst. And I just freshly rinsed out the deep conditioner. I will be using the Mielle Rosemary Mint Blend Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner right here. Usually I use a lighter leave-in when I'm flattering my hair, but I wanted to change it up today and just see how it works. So we're gonna put just a little bit, because again, I am gonna flatter my hair and I don't want to weigh it down, but I think this will be great in moisturizing. Claims to be infused with biotin and rosemary and leave the hair protected and moisturized. So pretty much you can use it for anything. So just a tiny bit. I'm just gonna do that much. Yeah, this is heavy. Ooh. Heavy, so ooh. Girl, be careful. Be careful. Can't be too heavy a product. Can't be. You have to be careful when you're using a product when you're straightening your hair. And I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I'm just gonna have a couple of clips and then yeah, keep going. I did notice looking back that I was getting some steam going down. It could possibly be because of that leave-in I used, because usually when I flatter my hair I don't have that problem. So I would just suggest that probably don't use a curly leave-in to flat iron your hair. So I definitely won't be using that from now on. I'll just use it on my curly hair. But pretty much I just flat iron it, and then later on I did throw some curls in there and I was all set. Alright, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I was just doing a quick wash day. I didn't want to bore anyone because I literally have done so many flat iron videos. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Bye.